Modular sofa come in 3 boxes. Check if there are any missing parts from sofa seat box. Always be alert to the direction of the arrow throughout the installation. Install L-shaped brackets on board 6 and 7 using screw M8*15. Next, attach board 6, 7, 8, and 9 using screw M8*15 to build out a square. Then, install leg to the bottom of the seat frame using screw M8*60. Then, put the pad in. After that, attach backrest to seat frame using screw M8*60 and screw M8. Next, install both lift hinges with spring on the seat cushion using screw M6*20. Then, attach the seat cushion to the sofa's body using screw M6*20. Afterwards, tuck the pillow into the pillowcase. Check if there are any missing parts from armrest box. Attach the armrest to the sofa seat using M8*60 and M8. Check if there are any missing parts from ottoman box. Refer to steps 1 and 2 from the sofa seat installation. Then, put the cloth cover on and pull it flat and aligned. Refer to step 3, 4, 6, and 7 from sofa seat installation. Attach 2 sofa seats using screw M8*55, nut, and washer. Attach ottoman to the sofa seat using metal clip. Congratulations, you have assembled your modular sofa.